Phonics Sentences Practice for Kids. Short vowel A. The cat sat on a lap. The cat sat on a lap. Sam has a red cap. Sam has a red cap. Dan ran to catch the cab. Dan ran to catch the cab. Pam claps with a snap. Pam claps with a snap. I am a fan of the map. I am a fan of the map. The tan hat is on the mat. The tan hat is on the mat. Jan and Stan plan to nap. Jan and Stan plan to nap. The van ran down the ramp. The van ran down the ramp. Pat is at the tap with a napkin. Pat is at the tap with a napkin. The ham is in the pan on the table. The ham is in the pan on the table. Great job, kids! You're on your way to becoming fantastic readers. Keep practicing and exploring the world of phonics. See you in the next exciting lesson.